The a and an are two indefinite articles. There are 5 vowels in English alphabet.
An ox.
A yak. An egg. A kite.
An orange.
When a noun refers to only one, it is said to be in singular. When a noun refers to more than one, it is said to be in plural. 3 cats. 1 cat. 4 goats. The dog is near the car. The temple is near the school. The cat is behind the rat. The girl is behind the dog. The scooter. Wednesday and Saturday. A lion can roar. A lion can walk. A lion. He was playing.
A fox. A dog. A nut. What is this? This is a sparrow. Crab. Cap. Ka, nga, cha, nya, ta, na, ta, na, pa, ma, ya, ra, la. இல்ல குழந்தைகளே, மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் 18 ஆகும். இக்கு, இங், இச், இங். உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் 12 ஆகும். அவைகளை நாம் வரிசையாக பார்ப்போமா? அ, ஆ, இ, ஈ, உ, ஊ.
நாற்காலி, வானூர்தி,
அணில் கீச்சிடும். காகம் கரையும். குதிரை கணக்கும். மயில் அகவும்.
Next, ta. From down you have to start, taking it to the sidewise, put a line, then top sleeping line. Letter th. You are beginning this letter th by putting a curve, bringing it down sidewise.
Kan,
I,
Ankh,
16,
உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் 12 ஆகும். அவை வவ்வால், அணில் கீச்சிடும், தந்தம், திருவள்ளுவர், நூல், செங்கல்,
Twenty and one more is 21. 20 and two more is 22.
52, 53, 54. Addition of two-digit numbers. Add 8 plus 1 in one's column. That is 8 plus 1 is 9. 1 in tens digit. Put a 1 as it is in tens digit. We get 19.
$35 minus 4. Step 1. Subtract ones. 5 ones minus 4 ones is equal to 1 1. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Write 1 in one's column. Step 2. Subtract the tens. 3 tens minus 0 tens is equal to 3 tens. Write 3 in tens column.
Look at the face of a clock. The long hand is the minute hand. Six o'clock, 2 o'clock, 4 o'clock.
Dear children, let us learn about big and small. 59, 60. 9 is between 8 and 10. 26 is between 25 and 27. 27 is between 26 and 28. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Circle, oval, triangle. Match the correct shape.
The sun can be seen during the sunny day. Mango tree, banana tree, banyan tree, neem tree, mint. These plants are much shorter than trees. Plants give us fresh and pure air. Sunflower, our body has many parts. Each part does a different work. Each part has a different name. Shoulder, many of them live nearby us. Cow gives us milk. Hen gives us eggs.
Living things. Things that have life are called living things. Plants and air is useful to us in many ways. A pump, put out fire, swimming, irrigation. Horse in a stable. Owl, hen, cauliflower, palm tree.